Hi, I'm Emma. I'll show you how to quickly detect and unfollow non-followers using Circleboom, an official X-Enterprise developer, in just a few clicks. First, log into Circleboom Twitter and land on your main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, find and click on Not Following Back. This is the dedicated section where Circleboom automatically analyzes your account and shows you everyone you follow who isn't following you back. Then review the list carefully. Instead of unfollowing right away, click the filter button at the top of the page. This is where you can narrow things down and avoid removing valuable accounts like influencers or news sources you actually want to keep. After that, apply the filters that make sense for you. For example, select unverified accounts, inactive accounts, or fake accounts, and then click to apply the filters. Now you're looking at a much cleaner, more intentional list focused on low quality or irrelevant profiles. Next, choose how you want to unfollow. You can click unfollow next to accounts one by one if you prefer full control. Or if you're ready for a bulk cleanup, select all accounts and click the main unfollow button at the top. Then confirm the action when prompted. Circleboom will handle the unfollowing process automatically in the background, respecting platform limits so everything runs safely and smoothly. If you want to stay ahead in the future, you can also enable Unfollower Alerts inside Circleboom to get regular updates when someone unfollows you, so you're never guessing again. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!